Welcome to part 8 of my garage series. Today we're going to be going over personal safety equipment and why it should be out and available. If there's one thing I have found about myself, and I'm sure a bunch of you have the same problem, if something is not out and available and super quick to grab, you're going to find something else or you're just not going to use that tool. So if I have the proper tool for the job and it's buried at the bottom of a toolbox, stuffed in the corner, and I don't feel like digging it out, I'm probably not going to use it. If it's out and available and it's right there and easy for me to grab, I have no excuse. And that's what I do with my safety equipment. So right here I have gloves, a dust mask, earbuds, and safety glasses, all right there so I can grab them. So if I'm using a grinder or I'm using a sander or I'm using a saw or something, I don't have an excuse. Go ahead, grab it. It's right there. Put it on. If I need anything heavier duty, in the box right square center above my workbench, I have all of my extra safety equipment. So I've got heavy duty rubber gloves or leather gloves, disposable gloves, a better dust mask, better safety goggles. No matter what I'm doing, I've got my safety equipment right by the bench or right on the pegboard so I can easily get to it. That's my philosophy for everything. Put as much things out and easily accessible so that if I know where they are, I have no excuse not to use them. If you ever had like a metal shard or some dust or something fly into your eye, it is a horrible experience. It does not feel good. It could ruin the rest of your day if your eye's all bloodshot or swollen shut or you have to go to the hospital. It's not worth it. Don't lose your eyes. Don't lose your ears. Don't lose a finger. Be careful with this stuff. All this equipment can hurt you. I know people who have lost fingers to table saws. I know people who have lost their hearing to loud noises. It's just not worth it. Take a little bit of extra time and protect yourself. Even just using rubber gloves so you don't have super glue on your fingers or you don't have silicone or paint or whatever. It just makes your life easier. So take the extra few seconds, put that equipment on so you're not spending hours later dealing with the repercussions. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you guys next week.